Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today I'd like to share with you the torture try to install Windows Micro XP on my secondary PC here. And with that we will try to play here the Elder Scrolls. It's not focusing. Hello. Let's try to play the Elder Scrolls 5 Oblivion then. So let's go for it. Come on. Start. Banned Windows XP, there you guys have it. It was the OS where I started, like it was our first proper OS at home. So here you have the Micro XP by Experience logo thing. One more time, I guess. So we can wait. Okay, and then check for my computer, Oblivion, setup exe, and let's try to install it, right? Seems like the game is finished installing. Let's try to install DirectX now and see if this works, what I really hope and wish. Seems like that I can't install DirectX. Yeah, I don't care. When I click on play, okay, so I can't install DirectX, so the game won't run. It's bad, I guess. So yeah, this was the video. Quick tour of trying to install Oblivion on this machine. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, then put your thumbs down. Cheers.